Everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 15 of July Watercolor Month. And today we are going to paint these cute little watercolor teacups. We are going to doodle them around. Before we get started with today's video, I want to quickly inform you that I'm giving away a Winsor & Newton Cotman 46-piece watercolor set. So please look out at the end of the video for more details about it, how to enter and how to enroll yourself. So tea has always been a thing for me which has been very therapeutic, and so are collecting cute little teacups. So in this video we are going to learn and paint these teacups which are going to relax your mind and your soul as well. So grab a nice cup of tea or coffee and let's get started. So for today's video, I am going to use this watercolor pad that I received from Uhuhu. This is a cotton top technology, which means the top layer of the paper is 100% cotton, whereas the back side of it is wood pulp. And it is 9 by 12 inches and it is 300 GSM paper. For the paints, I will be using my Daniel Smith watercolors because of one single shade mainly, which is buff titanium. I love this shade, and what we're going to paint is today it's going to help a lot in this one. And for the brushes, I have kept 3, but I might use some more. So this one is a round brush number 6. It's a big fat brush. This one is a number 8 round brush, and this one is number 1 round brush. And is we are going to sketch different shapes of cups. I'm not going to use a specific shape. I'm just going to do freehand drawing. And now I'm going to use my kneaded eraser to lighten all the sketches. And now we are ready to paint. So I'm just going to use any random colors that comes to my mind, and I'm straight away going to put them on the paper. And firstly, I am going to use a light wash of colors on all the cups to have a nice base for all of them. So I'm just using the colors that are already there on my palette, and I'm just using them to make some more color by using different colors with them, and I'm just going to use them over it. So as I mentioned, this is the first layer of our colors, and these are all completely dried up now, and it is time for us to now put more details. So I'm going to switch to a smaller brush, and I'm going to give more designs, more details to these cups. So for this one, I want to use this pink, a little bit of red, mixed with a little bit of buff titanium. So mostly I use buff titanium to lighten or to lighten the colors or to make them kind of pastel shade. And I'm going to use this color and just give some details on this mug. Moving on to this cup. And now I am going to use my Sharpie and this Jelly Roll white ink, white gel pen to give final details to all these cups. And I already love them so much. So using these, I'm gonna give more life to all that we have painted. With this, we have completed our watercolor cups doodle. I really enjoyed this little fun painting of different cups and just doodling with the watercolors, with the marker and the gel pens. And this was so relaxing and therapeutic for me. And if it was for you as well, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me, and I will see you guys in my next video with the 16 of my watercolor video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. And here is the most exciting part, the giveaway. So I'm giving away this Winsor & Newton Cotman watercolor set of 46 pieces to one lucky winner. And the giveaway starts today. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on my Instagram and on the giveaway post on my Instagram. Comment down below what you love most painting with watercolors. It could be flowers, fruits, vegetables, animals, landscapes, anything. And I'm going to link everything, all the description details in the description below. The giveaway ends on 31st of July and the winner will be announced on 3rd of August on my Instagram. So good luck everyone.